One great thing about being able to jump on your bike is all those great places that the city has to offer. Nature is a place where I go to unwind. It's a great place to make sure time stands still. Forests have so much to offer. If we want to continue living near them, it is our own responsibility to make sure that we treat the forests as if we depend on it. One of my first jobs was working with a tree surgeon, and I currently work for the local Dutch office of the Forest Stewardship Council, FSC. What I find most fascinating about my job is when you work together with a forest manager from tropical countries like the Congo Basin, and with pride they manage a forest. In Amsterdam, you will see tropical timber everywhere. From the canal sides to locked doors, parked benches, small bridges. The area behind the central station, where they recently installed a terrace built of African timber. And it's a very nice area to see because it really connects the city with the river.
Amsterdam is one of the largest importers of tropical timber in Europe. And Amsterdam is promoting the use of tropical timber as a part of its contribution towards climate neutrality. The use of tropical timber is an excellent alternative to traditional construction materials such as steel or concrete, which, as we know from research, are substantially contributing to carbon dioxide emissions to our atmosphere. Forest Stewardship Council is the organization that promotes responsible forest management. Essentially, what we do is we write standards that define what activities, what management practices should be implemented in the certified forest. It's not that we have written all standards very well from the very beginning. They are continuously changing, adapting, improving, and responding to changes in society and in the global trends. There is still ongoing negative narrative that using tropical timber in city construction means more trees to be cut and more tropical forests to be lost. However, what FST brings to the table in this context is assurance that when timber originating from FST certified forest is used, it is mitigating against forest degradation, against deforestation, and against climate change.
La forêt du bassin du Congo est le deuxième réservoir en termes de biodiversité dans le monde et c'est la deuxième plus grosse forêt tropicale du monde après le bassin de l'Amazonie. En tout cas, l'exploitation forestière responsable, telle que pratiquée par Precious Wood, permet de produire des biens et des services de la forêt tout en maintenant la capacité productive de la forêt. En fait, sur notre forêt, en termes de richesse de la biodiversité, nous avons 340 espèces d'arbres dans la forêt. Et nous n'en prélevons que 2. Donc il s'agit de prélever 2 arbres sous les 380 arbres tous les 25 ans. Pour ce qui est du développement local avec les communautés, il faut savoir qu'on a un système de rémunération pour payer des royalties aux communautés et basé sur le principe de volume de bois sorti de la forêt. Avec cet argent, les communautés doivent rédiger des projets qui vont dans le sens des infrastructures, de la santé, de l'éducation, de la construction des routes. En fait, il s'agit d'investir dans des projets qui touchent toute la communauté.
I really hope that at one point we can source timber that is coming from more sustainable sources and that everybody understands the difference between certified and non-certified. And with that knowledge, is not afraid to build new projects and use tropical timber.